Regular maintenance can keep your door looking great and operating smoothly for years to come. In this video, we'll share some tips on how to best maintain your door. First, clean your garage door tracks. Over time, dirt, debris, and rust can build up in your garage door's tracks. This buildup can prevent your garage door from working correctly and cause problems. Use a small brush to clean the tracks and parts carefully, then gently wipe them down with a damp cloth. Next, make sure to tighten your garage door hardware. As you use your garage door over and over, the vibration of the door can loosen the components. Use a wrench, socket, or screwdriver to tighten loose brackets, bolts, and screws. Be careful not to over-tighten the hardware. Over-tightening can cause stripping or damage to the door parts. If you come across any smaller, rusted, or damaged parts, you can replace them. Also be sure to test your safety features. Checking these features keeps you and your family safe from accidents and injury when using the garage door. Automatic doors typically come with pressure sensors and auto reverse, which prevent the door from closing on an object in the garage door's path. To test the pressure sensor and auto reverse, have the garage door close on a small plank of wood or solid object. When the door touches the object, it should reverse and open. If it fails to reverse after touching the object, have a professional inspect and repair or replace your pressure sensor to prevent accidents. Is your door looking dingy? Wash your garage door annually with a light detergent and be sure to rinse it off with water. If you live near the coast, we recommend washing and waxing your door a couple of times per year. For more garage door maintenance tips, visit us at clopedoor.com.